Everybody, today I will show you the process of creating curved beam in Revit. I am using Revit 2019 and I have opened a new project in metric unit. First of all, I will create a irregular roof using massing. So let's start. I will go massing and site. I will click on the option show mass as it is off. Now I will do in place mass. Okay. First of all, I will create some reference plane to create the roof. I will rename them to select them easily. I can change the naming from the property box also, like here. Now I will draw some spline on this reference plane. First of all, I will go to a elevation view. Now I will draw spline in 1 by 1 reference plane. This one is based on reference plane 1. Now I will draw another line on reference plane 2. I will stretch the point to make it quite good. This one is based on reference plane 2. Now the last one, reference plane 3. This one. Now I will go to 3D view and you can see that 3 surf reference plane base line is created here. I will select them all and click on solid form. Now my surface is ready. You can see it here. Now I will click on finish mask. So my masking is ready. Now I will go again in masking and site, then roof. I will take the minimum thickness and click on it. Now create roof. So my roof is also done. You can see it here. If I hide the masking, then you can see my roof. I will go to level 2 and I will place a beam here. I will first of all I will make the detail level fine and wireframe so we can see the beam placement easily. Now I will place a beam here. I can see the beam, but this beam is not, no option to match the beam with the roof level. So in that case, we can do one thing. First of all, I will draw some walls like this one, and then array up to last till here, and I will change it option, change number to 15. So here is 15 walls. Now you can see it in 3D also. Each wall is in group. I will select them all and I will ungroup them. Now I will take their level to 0 to top level. Then I will attach them with the roof. Yes. Now if I hide my roof, you can see that the wall are attached up to the roof, and here is a nice pattern of the walls. Now I will click on beam, place, click on pick lines and 3D snapping. If I don't click on 3D snapping and I take the pick line option only, then the beam will be on the bottom of the wall, on the base of the wall. But if I take beam, pick line and 3D snapping, then I can place them on the wall face. So I will click one by one to place them all. Now all the beam are placed. Now I will select the walls, select all and hide. Now you can see that the beams are placed as per the roof like this. Now they are placed based on the roof surface. Now if I need to place some more beam across, now I will place cross beam based on beam system. So to do this, first of all I will load some new beam to place them. Some structural steel, universal beam. I will take some lesser size like this one or this one. Okay. Now I will do beam system, boundary line, pick line, and sorry, pick this and 3D. You can see the slope symbols here, so it will help us to place the beam as per the curvature. I will close them in this both end, and I will show the beam direction like this one, and I will select the beam type. Okay, the beam type is already selected, and I will keep it as the fixed distance as 1500. Now okay, yes, you can see, or I can keep it as 1000. Now you can see. So same, following the same process, I will place all the beams here like this. Beam system, snapping, 3D snapping, click here, close both end. This slope symbol will help us to maintain the beam as per the curvature. I will place the beam direction symbol and click OK. Fixed distance, it is 1500. I can make it 1000. Yes, same thing here also. Now you can see my roof is ready. But here is a problem. Let me show you the issue. If I update my mass, like this, and my roof will be automatically updated. You can see the walls are also updated based on the roof profile. but the beams are not updated. This is the main issue in this feature. I will show you the solution in my next video. If you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.